Here I got another eBay package. It's my speaker package. I know what it is because it's the last item that was shipped. So this is the last item I'm getting for at least for a while. I will probably get speakers by like November or something. I'm getting like a lot of money though. So let's unbox this. I'm gonna make it quick though. Put the scissors aside and the knife, the pocket knife. This is only like a $60 like package though, so don't expect like all speakers to be good because it's just the parts only like lot though. But I think they're all gonna be good though. There's a lot of packaging. It's all like wrapped up. Hold on. This first one, some Bluetooth speaker. I don't know what it is. Let's see what it is. Don't know the brand. I'll probably look this up though. Probably gonna try Amazon Lens and see what this product is. Here's another cheap Polaroid Bluetooth speaker. I probably want to blow this up. It's not a good brand. Here's a Memorex iPod dock. The speakers are probably in good shape. Let me see. It looks like they're rotted or something in there. Here's some very shitty alarm clock thing. It has a very shitty Mylar speaker in there. I want to change the speaker in there. Here's a Bose Color 2 speaker. Looks in pretty fair shape. If it works, I'm surprised though. Looks like there's nothing loose inside. If this works, then I'm gonna be happy. Try to turn on, like right now. It probably needs charged. Something's loose in there, but I doubt it's just the speaker. The speakers are probably in good shape. The speakers don't look damaged. Probably just a loose plastic piece. I'm gonna open these up though. Just feel that the speakers look pretty good. And the other one seems in pretty good shape as well. Even though the package is poorly packaged though. Here I don't see any dents. That's good. Yeah, I'm not gonna connect these to the amplifier though. They're cheap computer speakers, but they're good quality though. They're only 20 watts. Well, wattage doesn't mean too much. Here's some very shitty USB speakers. Look at that. There's a shitty Mylar speaker in there. Let's see the cone. They're probably worth fixing up though. Maybe the casing might be okay though. They're really cheaply made. Don't buy those USB speakers. This is a Discover Bank type of speaker. It's pretty shitty. Probably want to blow the speaker up in there if it's bad. Here are some DCM home theater speakers. Let me take out the cover. Looks like one is in pretty good shape so far. These are pretty good speakers for the price. They're budget speakers. They're good. They're just like ELAC and stuff. I like these. Never heard of this before, but I researched it and it looks pretty good. They're not a scam. Check the second one. Just a little bit poor shipping. It's in pretty good shape as well. This one has a mount on it. This one's also in pretty good shape. I am lucky so far. $60 for all of this. I'm lucky. That's fucking amazing. So that's in good shape as well. It's almost all of this. Look at that. Here's the center channel. Let's see if I can take that out. That's in good shape as well. I think this is all of it, though. Let's check for evidence. Yeah, I think this is it. I'll let you know if I find anything extra in there, but I highly doubt it. I am fucking lucky here. Look at that. $60 of great finds, except for these shitty speakers here. But if these are good, then it's all good. But I'm looking forward to the Bose and these Gibsons and Philips speakers. I don't know how good this is, but $60 for all of this is fucking good. Thanks for watching.